I'm Hany.
I'm Ophelia, and this is 21 Questions.
I'm Hany.
I'm Ophelia,
and this is 21 Questions. Cece's Pizza. I made pizza.
I tie-dyed t-shirts for a fashion brand.
Egypt.
Italy.
What's that onomatopoeia situation?
Ever since I met Hany and he corrected me on this, I've never been quite sure if it's innovative or innovative.
Aluminium. Ophelia.
I crochet now.
I read a lot.
Pénombre in French, which is a sort of semi-shadow.
Geborgenheit in German, which is a feeling one gets.
Can I pick his? Sphinx would be my code name for you.
I appreciate that.
All right, so you gotta pick mine.
If I'm ever an assassin.
All right, so what's mine? Go.
Gelato. Next question. I love autographs. I love the actual fact that that person etched those inked symbols at some point, at some date, and you're holding it.
Art. I have been collecting art since I was a kid.
Some NFTs. Loot, specifically.
Loot was bad.
Loot was
Jesus. What do I regret spending money on? I don't know. I don't spend money on that much useless crap, but maybe like some really expensive shoes or something.
Risotto de mare. It's also the only dish I know how to cook.
Really?
Yeah.
I bake more than I cook, but I can bake almost anything.
She's a good baker, actually.
See previous sentence on baking.
Jesus. What's my hidden talent? What's my hidden talent?
You're like fairly good at like Legos.
Legos, yes.
Legos.
Legos.
In life? Today?
I am most looking forward to all the uncertainty in the world, in our industry this year, to start going away as soon as humanly possible.
I am looking forward to actually being able to see some of these products we've been working on for ages in the hands of our customers. Like, I'm really excited about the initial product market fit of wrapped assets. I really want to actually see that in people's hands and see them playing with it.
The incompetence of our average counterparty.
That's true. Honestly, I thought you were going to say, like, poking me in the eye, because that also works like a charm, by the way. Throwing at Hany. Can I answer for Hany? Oh, amazing. When we first started the company, Hany decided that in the middle of starting the company, he was going to write a book about the history of crypto. And he actually started writing this book and sent me a table of contents one day while I was just drowning in work. And I looked at this and I looked at him and was like, you've got to be kidding me. Sit down, shut up, and actually do some work.
It was called the Crypto Manifesto.
See? It was a real thing.
And it was... It has half a chapter written.
I once wanted to write a book about philosophy.
The past.
Future.
Past. My people did way better back then.
Yeah, but like maybe your people do better later, you know?
No,
Like,
I'd like to go and hang out
I can read a
at
book
the pharaonic age. Thank you very much.